Hello, I just eat this great stuff and now everything is really good. I can actually think there's a whole new galaxy planet on the three-dimensional universe, near Rainbowland.
What? What the fuck are you talking about? So is that shit for real? I mean, some crazy little people hanging out, having sex, dancing, and making out. How is that even possible?
Oh, yeah, it's like the waterfall full of nature sounds. My crazy bastard friend just came in and for a minute we go tripping on the galaxy, the three-dimensional universe levels.
Holy shit, no fucking way. Where the hell and what the fuck you eat it anyway?
On the finest woods, candy chocolates and some nasty alcohol but quite delicious blood.
Nasty shit. Sounds awesome, crazy bitch.